What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy Ghost Fighter 2T's. I'm back with another informative video. I'm trying to be quiet because I'm grinding. I'm trying to get these videos out to you guys. And yeah, I know you guys might see this months later, but the time that I'm trying to get it done and get my grind done, yeah. So it's at night, got people around us, so I'm trying to make sure everybody stay in peace. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys make sure you hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I definitely appreciate it. We're going to get right on into this unboxing. This is one of the coolest tech gadgets that I have seen or I have owned myself. I would have to say ever when it comes to the summertime. We're in the summer months of July. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. All right, so what we got here is the ArcticBreez personal neck fan. You know what I'm saying? You gotta, you know what I mean? So it stretches. I'll kind of show you the picture of what it does so you get an idea. And then I'll show you the side and I'll show you the back. Show you the back of it. And I already kind of pre-opened it up just so I can get into it. It's pretty cool how this thing works. And so we get right into the unboxing. I'm gonna give you where I got it from, the pricing, and we'll roll out the rest of the video from that. So this particular air fan, I got it from 5 and Below. I'm telling you, I get some of the coolest tech from 5 and Below. I be trying to tell you guys that I be getting some of the coolest stuff from 5 and Below, bro. So you guys go make sure that you check out 5 and Below, and it's hit or miss if it'll be in the store, because I get these tech items and I get them whenever they come out. So I don't know how long they're gonna stay in the store. So don't be like, oh, you told me 5 and Below and now it's not there. Don't do that to me, bro. Don't do that to me, because y'all might see this months later, how many ever views later. So just bear with me, okay? Have some, you know, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just have that in mind, because a lot of times people come in my comments, be like, I went there, they didn't have it, blah, blah, blah. Just like when I did that little mini refrigerator for you guys, that you can put your little drinks in. I need to get a new one of them, so I'm gonna be coming out with a video real soon of me a new little refrigerator to go in my room, because I miss having those, my canned drinks and everything lined up in there for me to have something to drink when I get thirsty when I'm gaming or, you know, watching TV or a movie. So without further ado, we're gonna get right on to the unboxing. All right, nothing else in the box. I don't know why people like seeing it on camera. I do too when I watch people do unboxings. All right, so here's the directions. It pretty much shows you the directions where everything, the power, the little fans that blow up onto your neck, and you got to make sure you put it on with the vents facing up, because that's what's going to blow onto your face. Okay. All right. And then it comes with a mini HDMI for charging it. Now, the one thing I don't know, and I wish I had more time to experience it before doing the video so that you guys can be knowledgeable about it, is how long does the charge last on the fan. I will be charging it tonight and taking it to work, so I will go down in this same video and go down in the comments section, and I will be putting an update of how long the battery actually lasts. So yeah, so let's. Alright, so pretty cool looking little gadget. I'll put it around my neck just to get, and right here is like a rubber, see, where you can bend it. Sweet, right? Button, power button right there. HDMI mini right there. And it's 3 speeds. You got low, medium, and fast, I think. So let's give it a try. Let you kind of see it. You probably can hear it. And then let me hit the button on it. Ooh, there's another level. Let me see if it's on. It might be only 2. 3. It's 3 levels. I think that's pretty cool, man. That is sweet. So I know y'all can't feel what I feel, but I feel air up through here, and it's cooling the base of my neck and around the back parts behind my ear. Everybody tends to sweat behind the ear, so it's getting behind my ear, in front of my ear, and up the front of my cheeks onto my bald head. But this is a nice gadget, man. I know everybody want one of these. I wish I had this when I went to Dutch Wonderland, just to have the air against my face. To put this in perspective, let me take this off. This thing's really cool, man. One of my best gadgets. All right, so to put this in perspective, how good this gadget is, think about it like being in a room that's not quite cooled off the way that you would like it, and then you turn the fan on a low setting and you feel that air constantly hitting your face in the room. You know how sometimes it get too cold? That's how that head fan is, man. That's a really cool gadget. Whoever thought of this gadget, that was a great idea, a great addition to keeping yourself cool. And I mean, as far as I can say, as far as the quality, the build quality and everything, it is doable. You're not going to be moving around and being, I guess, trying to be rough with it. I'm pretty sure if you drop this on the ground, it probably will break, just because this plastic is probably not the most durable plastic. But you can see on this, it says right and left. This is the right ear, this is the left ear. Which it makes sense, because you have to have those vents facing upward. And then you just, they got 3 settings. I mean, listen, this is the most cool, one of the most coolest tech gadgets that I've reviewed on my channel. Even though there's plenty of things I reviewed on my channel, this is probably one of this, if not the coolest that I've done on my channel. And I like the fact that it cools me down, because I get really hot myself. So it has a little LED light. So cool, man, so cool. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video was very informational for you for this particular item. You guys get out there, go to 5 and below, get yourself one. I appreciate you guys. Hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I appreciate you. Go sell 2 T's, and I'm out.